Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Nokia 6 2018. According to Pocket Link, a new version of the Nokia 6 is on the way. If a report posted on the Chinese Communications Regulator's website is to be believed. TANA certification has been given to a handset going under the codename TA1054, which is thought to be a dual SIM version of the Nokia 6 2018 model. It suggests that the new handset could be announced soon at mid-January or late January. To be honest, little else can be gleaned from the certification posting save from the fact that it features 4G LTE connectivity and will naturally support Android 8.0 audio, and it has stock Android. However, other leaked specs suggest that the handset dual SIM model or not will have an 18 by 9 5.5-inch Full HD resolution display. It is said to come with a Snapdragon 630 processor, which is not quite good, but for a mid-ranger, it's fine, yes. And it has 4GB of RAM plus 32GB of internal storage. The current Nokia 6 released this summer has a 5.5-inch 16 by 9 aspect ratio, which is improved in Nokia 6 2018, and it is run on Snapdragon 430 processor with 3GB of RAM, so you can already see the possible improvements in the latest generation device. The Nokia 6 2018 is also rumored to come with on-screen touch navigation buttons, plus a fingerprint sensor and dual camera setup on the rear. And its price is expecting about $250 till $300. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos. And see you soon.